Experiencing SMS issues with Boost Mobile? Let's break down the core reasons why your text messages might not be sending or delivering. Boost Mobile, like other carriers, can experience SMS problems due to a variety of factors, ranging from network issues and device settings to account-related problems. One of the primary reasons is network connectivity. Weak signal strength or roaming outside of Boost Mobile's coverage area can prevent texts from sending. Temporary network congestion, especially during peak hours or major events, can also delay or block SMS delivery. Sometimes, the issue resides within your phone's settings. Incorrect APN, access point name settings, which are necessary for connecting to Boost Mobile's network, can disrupt SMS functionality. Additionally, device-specific problems like outdated software or hardware faults can interfere with text message delivery. Account-related issues are another common cause. An insufficient account balance or plan limitations that restrict SMS usage can prevent you from sending texts. It's also possible that your account might have spam filters enabled, which can block certain messages. Conflicts with third-party messaging apps like iMessage or WhatsApp can also interfere with the default SMS app. You might see messages like "message not sent," "message failed to send," or "message not delivered" when these issues occur. Temporary network congestion, especially during peak hours or major events, can also delay or block SMS delivery. By understanding these potential causes, you can start to troubleshoot the issue effectively. Now that you understand the common reasons for SMS problems with Boost Mobile, let's walk through practical troubleshooting steps to resolve them. We'll cover each step in detail to ensure comprehensive coverage of potential solutions. First, check your network connection, as weak signals are the most common cause of SMS delivery failures. Your phone should show at least 3 to 4 signal bars for reliable messaging. In your phone settings, navigate to Network and Internet and manually switch to LTE or 5G mode if available. Additionally, perform a simple phone restart, which can clear temporary network glitches and re-establish your connection to Boost Mobile's towers. Next, verify your access point name settings, which control how your phone connects to Boost Mobile's network for data and messaging. Navigate to Settings, then Network and Internet, and select Access Point Names. The APN should be configured as boost.mobile as specified by Boost Mobile. If you see incorrect settings or the field is blank, tap the plus icon to add a new APN and enter the correct details manually. This ensures your phone routes SMS through the proper network channels. Third, examine your account status, as insufficient funds or plan limitations can prevent SMS delivery. Open the Boost Mobile app or visit their website and log into your account. Check that you have adequate balance remaining, as prepaid plans require payment for messaging services. Also verify that your current plan includes SMS capabilities and hasn't expired. Look for any account alerts about suspensions, blocks, or usage limits that might affect texting. Fourth, clear your messaging application's cache to remove corrupted temporary data that might interfere with SMS functionality. Navigate to Settings, select Apps, find your Messages app, go to Storage, and tap Clear Cache. If you're using third-party messaging applications like WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, temporarily switch to your phone's built-in default SMS app to isolate whether the issue is app-specific. This step helps identify and resolve conflicts between different messaging services. Fifth, ensure your phone's operating system is fully up to date, as outdated software can create compatibility problems with Boost Mobile's messaging infrastructure. Go to Settings, select System or General, then System Update or Software Update. Download and install any pending updates, which often include bug fixes for SMS delivery and network connectivity issues. This step is crucial for maintaining optimal performance with Boost Mobile services. Sixth, apply device-specific fixes, particularly for iPhone users who frequently encounter SMS issues. Navigate to Settings, select Messages, and locate the iMessage toggle. Turn iMessage off. Wait approximately 30 seconds to allow the system to reset, then turn it back on. This process resynchronizes iMessage with Boost Mobile servers and often resolves delivery problems caused by Apple-specific messaging protocols. Finally, if none of the previous steps resolve your SMS delivery issues, contact Boost Mobile's customer support team for personalized assistance. You can access support through the Boost Mobile app's chat feature, call their customer service line at 1-866-402-7366, or visit boostmobile.com for online help options. When contacting support, be prepared to provide your account information, phone model, current software version, and a detailed description of the problem to receive the most effective troubleshooting guidance.